For more than 30 years, Jim Patterson has been working on developing products and designs for horns. Jim and his wife Cora, both horn players, own and operate Patterson Hornworks. Their company repairs, designs, and handcrafts French horns in Las Cruces. Jim Patterson says he makes horns the old school way.
There's a number of people like myself that are making handcrafted horns, and it's directly related to what happens to the bigger companies. The larger companies buy out the medium-sized companies, and all of a sudden there's nothing in between. So it leaves a little bit of a niche market for us high-end custom guys.
Making custom-made horns is something that requires patience. Jim Patterson says each horn may take weeks to design and build by hand.
Probably the number of hours to build a horn is in the 40 to 50 range, depending on which horn you're making. But it's not like you can start a horn and in 50 hours it'll be done. That has to take place over a larger period of time. So it probably takes 2 to 3 weeks to build a horn.
Cora Patterson says that the horn business is a competitive one, and it took time for the couple's business to take off. She says that their company was hit hard by the recession in 2008, but with the help of a local group of retired small business executives, the Pattersons learned how to push harder to market their products. Today, the Pattersons have goals large enough to fill the spacious concert halls where their horns are played.
We're thinking about higher and higher, dreams of getting our horns in really fantastic players' hands all the time.
Musician and NMSU horn professor Nancy Joy is a customer of Patterson Hornworks. She purchased a horn from Jim and Cora Patterson a few years back. Last year, her horn was stolen. It was recovered but badly damaged. The Pattersons rebuilt her horn. Joy says she loves the sound of her new and improved horn.
I think all of us have a sound concept in our heads. That's how we make our sound, is we have this sound concept. And it just really helps when the horn allows you to do what you have in your head. And that's what Jim and Cora have done with this horn. I absolutely love this horn. I was devastated when it was stolen out of my house, but it's been completely rebuilt, and actually they've learned a lot since 2012, since they've made so many of these, and it actually is a better playing horn than the one I got in 2012.
Jim Patterson says that they've been able to achieve the sound profile that musicians are looking for through the handcrafted methods they use, something he says can get lost on a large mechanical assembly line.
When you get into the more automated methods, the more machines you use, it seems like you lose some of that special quality of the instrument.
Musicians from around the world continue to look to this local business to find that special quality for their horns, a quality that is handcrafted in a small home workshop in Las Cruces. For KRWG, I'm Anthony Moreno.